You don't have a talent problem, you have a finishing problem. 1. Limit the amount of sounds you can add to your beat. If you think about it, all you really need is 5 tracks. Your chords, your bass, your melody, your drums, and 1 or 2 textures. I built a step-by-step system to finish your music. Link is below. It's a one-time payment of $96, not a subscription. Just do the work, and if it doesn't help you, I'll give you your money back. That's the deal. Problem 2, you're too attached to an outcome that's holding you back from working on the song productively. Instead of scratching the idea that seems so good but is holding us back, we hoard the unproductive idea and allow it to uninspire and unmotivate us, causing us to abandon the project and happily start a new project, only to run into the same problem again. What does Einstein call this exact behavior? That's right. Insanity. Problem 3, we tend to create 5 different songs and rotate between each project without keeping this in mind. Finishing a song is a skill, and until you're proven to know exactly how to finish any song to your liking, you shouldn't be jumping from song to song, leaving them with the "I'll just finish it later" mentality. This literally trains your brain to think that finishing the song is not a must, and you start chasing the dopamine hit of starting something new instead of the more efficient and smarter dopamine hit of finishing a song. As you force yourself to finish the song before being allowed to move forward, trains your brain to chase the more valuable payoff instead of the route that leaves you in a loop of unfinished songs. For example, doing a bunch of work and having nothing to show that you deem finished. It doesn't matter if it's a beat or a full song, same problem, same fix. You have a folder with 40 beats in it and none of them have real names, or maybe you have voice memos, good hooks, but nothing after that. Why? You never decided what finish means, so you never finish. Pick what finish means before you start. Maybe it means the song is fully arranged. Maybe it means it's fully mixed. Maybe it means you hit export. Just pick one and stick to it. A new idea hits you. New beat, new lyric. It feels exciting. Starting something always feels better than finishing something old. So your brain picks new over old every single time. Write the new idea down, use a voice memo, then go back to what you were already working on. The new idea will still be there tomorrow. Are you still tweaking that hi-hat? Are you rewriting verse 2 again? That's not perfectionism. That's fear. You're scared of what happens when it's done. You're scared people might judge it. Give every song a deadline. A song that's 90% done and out in the world beats a song that's 100% perfect and stuck on your hard drive forever. It doesn't matter if it's a beat or a full song. The fix is the same. You need a system. Willpower is not enough. That's the real difference. Some people finish 10 songs. Other people have 40 unfinished ones. The finishers have a system, the rest don't. Let's go. Appreciate you guys for watching. Like, comment what you think. Are you a finisher or do you have problems finishing? Drop a comment and I can help you out. As always, please subscribe. Aloha and God bless.